In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or a seasoned user, knowing how to effectively tag colleagues can streamline your workflow and improve team communication. So let's dive right in and explore this essential feature. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working on in Jira. Think of this as your home base or starting point. Once you're situated there, the next step is to open an issue or ticket. Now, this could be anything from a bug report to a task or any other type of issue that you're working on. When you open the ticket, it will take you to a detailed view where you can see all the information related to this issue. Here's where the magic happens. To tag someone, head over to either the comment box or the description section of your ticket. These are the two primary areas where you can directly interact with your team members, providing updates or requesting input. Once you're in either of these sections, begin by typing the @ symbol. It's really as simple as pressing the @ key. In many collaborative tools, this symbol universally signifies the act of mentioning or tagging someone. After typing this symbol, start entering the name of the person you wish to tag. Here's a pro tip. It doesn't have to be their full name at first, just a few letters will suffice. Thanks to Jira's handy feature, as you type, it will present you with a list of users whose names match your input. This becomes especially helpful in larger teams or organizations, as it saves you time and helps ensure you're tagging the correct individual. Now, once you see matches to the name you've begun typing, simply look for the correct user from the drop-down list that appears. It's just a matter of selecting their name to tag them. This action will automatically include a link to the user's profile in your comment or description, making it exceptionally clear who you're addressing. More importantly, the person you've tagged will receive an in-app notification. This feature is crucial. It alerts them to your mention and provides a direct link that takes them straight to the issue or comment in question. By following these steps, you streamline communication, ensure the right person is informed, and facilitate swift collaboration. And that's how you tag someone in Jira. By tagging team members, you're not only notifying them, but also documenting contributions and communications on specific tasks. This fosters transparency and accountability within your project. Remember, tagging is a simple yet powerful tool in project management. By integrating it into your daily workflow, you can enhance your team's productivity and ensure everyone is on the same page. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Jira more effectively. Don't forget to check out more of our content for additional tips on optimizing your project management experience.